Chief Correcton and friend.
Jesus Christ! Prepare! Wait, yes, Naya. Prepare!
Yes, Naya! Cola Ala!
You need a baby stage, yeah, man. Unruly boss, yeah, baby. Me rate rather up on a hillside. When nobody not there to talk to, when that shit come out, I was on a hillside. You know me rate a song there. Them a run back a Tick Man. Me never hear Tick Man say this one day. Now run back and kill Tick Man. Adam man a PNP bring pan stage right there tonight, like. Adam man a PNP Danishka Williams from PNP party bring out, you know. Hear words where man say. Hear what man say. Play that. Hear what man say. Me don't know if you know the song name. Play it, make it hear it first. Make it first.
Yo.
El Gringo, El Chapo. And say we chop you.
Me overdo it. Pull the cape and repeat. Pull it in a face and a feet. Left shell on the street. Make base for the seat. Boy gone with the world figure sleep.
Jesus Christ. Hold on there, people. Me I start it over. Wait no man. Who don't know hear what I'm say? Wait, me I go play. Hold on. No, we are play. Remember no Popcorn have whole heap of more song like this. We have a word for word in the first couple lines of the song, people. To drive home the point where me I say, wait there, man. Wait the man. Hold on the popcorn. Hold on the popcorn. Because yes sir, we have to play my bridge in them voice note. Wait there now. First, me could do right, Country Shane. So Country Shane the right as upon my thumb drive. Country Shane send in a voice note where me say, yo, Popcorn from PNP stage. Country Shane a labor right, he will tell you that straight up. Country Shane a labor right. If you want to deny that, yes, then go ahead, but when me say Country Shane seem more like a green man. Which, me don't know a green man wouldn't care that much, me don't know, but me could hear what Country Shane a say now in regard to Popcorn. Danishka Williams bring Popcorn on her stage. PNP.
I tell you, bro. I think of Jamaica. You see them, they always say Johnny man for church Australia, brother. You see it. So I just say, brother, they ain't go come with you and plan, brother. They don't cuss out the artists, them say artists, them. It's violence and crime in their music and in their community and everywhere. But it's still there them.
Alright. We are there with all. Big up yourself, Country Shane. You hear what Country Shane say? Country Shane say, them will cuss out the artists and politics man them matter about. Then cuss the artists and say the artists them a do all kind of manner of thing leading the nation astray with them a say everything. And then them same one pay the artists for come and then sit and come. Talk again to them, brethren. I'm not sure you
hear. Bro. I think of Jamaica. You see them, they always say Johnny man for church Australia, brother. You see it. So as I say, brother.
They must say PNP are drowning.
They ain't go come with
them. Labor right.
They don't cuss out the artists, them say artists, them. Both violence and crime in their music and in their community and everywhere. But it's still there of them. Them buy out everybody, them can buy out. Them buy out all them maroon. Them see some of them maroon there, don't make and them say Chief Correcton and friend.
Jesus Christ! Prepare! Wait, yes, Naya there. Prepare!
Yes, Naya! Cola Ala! Yes, Naya! Cola Ala! Yes, Naya! Cola Ala!
You should have said yes, Country Shane Cooler Aya because Country Shane slap them at a while ago. The man say It not even have no maroon at Jamaica again because Chief Curry turn them friend. Me blood cleat, well on there. Me could play Kevin Webb. Kevin Webb, I never brethren. I don't know if I'm a PNP or Labour, right, but here where you must say now to the people them. Yeah.
What I want to know about the PNP conference on the little job conference stage. I'm not telling you entertain or something.
Yeah.
If you can't write song to perform anyway, not up on a certain stage. You understand me? Don't put your rasp on a certain stage if you don't have repertoire and perform anyway. It's a political conference stage. And that's what you go do.
Chronic Line.
And then you try to tell the whole of Jamaica.
Chronic Line must have cost bad or something.
To do. Yeah? We're pretty sure, say, the politician them never in a million years. When I think say that them got go to the things.
Yes, alright.
But I want thing I tell you now. When you look to say John Man shoot me in a politics like one time. Because I get some blood clot lick. Artists see me how much money
Kevin Webb said, when you look at that man ship now in a politics, I don't know if you don't know Webb, it's still there. It's still there. But it look like the artists, them are the Dan man now because I can't imagine nobody a beat Chronicle. Labas are the baddest. Labas are the baddest. PNP, you never know. You never know, say a be a gunman song Chronicle sing. Chronicle have one song where it's not a gunman song. Rather up on a hillside, when nobody not there to talk to, when that shit come out, I was on a hillside, you know me rate a song there. That's the only song the man sing where him not kill people, you know. So me did shock to see the man on any kind of political platform. And then Weber say, if them don't know a song for perform, don't bother perform. And them song that them perform. If you don't know a song them sing at PNP, you don't book them. That's how me would have more say. But I like what Kevin Webb say, anyhow the beating stick there, anyhow the danmanship that run politics, said we. They would have get some blood clot like that website. The suck your mother term family people. You see when in the old days when that talk they just a make. Cause the talk they not so old, you know. The talk they not older than 50-year-old or older than in a region of my age group, you know. The talk they not so old. And what day that talk they bill? That talk they would have bill on job site, football field, somewhere whole per man gather. And when you as a bigger man I get any kind of attempt of any kind of, whether a man a go try come at you physically a ban a ball field, or a man a go try do some work you, outplay you, out strength you, out any kind of thing like that, and you say to him, say, go suck your mother. You mean say youth, your baby, you care, you know in my leagues, you know in my level. It mean go home to your mother and suckle on her breast because you're that level of life. You're young, you're small. You're small, you're still nurtured by your parent. You're a baby. And that whole thing there say. And me say, PNP, suck una mother man because una baby look like if una did know say a gunman artist una hire and then send them up make a chat gunman tune for them apologize. Una in a baby stage, yeah, man. Unruly boss, yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Me rate what you're doing in music and everything, but you're picnic youth. You're picnic youth, that me I tell you. You're baby. Webb said that and Country Shane said that what them a say. I want to play another tune. We drive home the pint and let us dissect this song by Popcorn. This is how them put on PNP stage. Here where I say. We have broke it down and tell you. We should have made lyrics video up there. El Gringo, El Chapo. First of all, who is El Chapo? The song name El Chapo. The song name after a man. Some South American Drug lord. I know some, a major, probably the biggest South American drug lord since Noriega and them man there. Rotten rich drug lord where they are jail and all. Man go there, army and man go there go release him from jail practically. I don't sure what go on with him you know, but bad man. Big bad man. I that the song name after. And hear the man attack as some bad man Spanish too.
Yo, El Gringo, Chapo.
Any man violent, chop you. Where the fucking bar. You put the cape and repeat. Bullet in a face and a sweet. Make base for the scene. Empty the Mac 19 and your face and gone. Road real bad man kill them. Police come find them dead on the street like dog. Bumbo clock. Start over. I'm glad I put bad word nice. Me never want no views. Me want people know them something here. Start back the song me make you hear what the man say. Because some people don't know say the kind of person where them put on PNP stage. These are the kind of things they have saying. Them a run back a tick man. Me never hear tick man say this one day. Now run back then kill tick man. See them kill tick man. Me don't know if tick man kill somebody because me never see when them do it. But I hear Popcorn talking this killing in him tune. Talk again you. Me a telling you what you must say. El Gringo.
Yo. El Gringo, El Chapo.
El
Chapo.
Boy violate them will chop you.
Fucking boss.
Over it. Put the cape on repeat. Bullet in a face and a feet. Left shell on the street. Make base for the seat. Bad will work for it. Empty the Mac 19 and your face and gone. Real bad man kill them. Somebody come find them on the street dead like that. Yo. Pussy man a bad from day one. Long time him a bad. Danishka you must know because them say your father a bad man. Now that them say, me just a tell you what me say cause me no afraid of no man you know. Them say Danai Williams either is or was a Dan. So that meaning that whether and she knows the bad man thing or that go. So maybe that's why she link with bad man and bring bad man on the stage. Now if I that tornado it look like it whole like PNP a bad man. Now be a bad this a go on PNP if I that tornado bring chronicler Labas. That's the last thing me hear if you hear chronicler I go up on stage with politics people. Me not expect that. And I know Labas we talk about Popcorn of the diluted version of Labas. Somehow no while watch me no know. Popcorn a diluted version for Labas. Labas a bad man. And anyway him go him talk that. We wanna do with bad man on the stage PNP party.